Okay, in this video we're going to review how to simplify an expression. We did a lot of this, but we're going to review it for a little test in a couple days. So we'll start with if I have 4x plus 3 times 5, that's not a very good 5x plus 2. So to do this, first I have to do the parentheses. So I copy 4x plus. Then I have to multiply. This means multiply. So 3 times 5 is 15x. 3 times 2 is 6. And now these both have an x. So 4 plus 15 is 19x plus 6. And now I'm finished. I'm finished because this one has a variable x and this one does not, so we're done. So we have a variable and then we have our constant. Let's try another one. Let's say I have 8m plus 2 times 4m minus 1. So I look again, I see my parentheses. Parentheses are always first. So I have 8m, and then 2 times 1 is minus 2. And then I have to copy this one. So 8 and 8 is 16m minus 2. Okay, I'm going to show you one more. Let's do 7w plus 5 times 2w plus 4. So let's do parentheses again. So 5 times 2 is 10w. 5 times 4 is 20. And then I have 7w to copy. And then this one and this one both have the w. So we can say 17w plus 20. Alright, so let's look at something else when we simplify. Let's say this time we have 4m minus 3 plus 7 plus 2m. So on this one we have to be careful to put the right things together. So this one has an m and this one has an m. So it's 4m, like monkeys, right? 4m plus 2m is 6m. And then we have negative 3 and a positive 7, so they are different. So that means we have to subtract. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And then I have to decide which one is bigger. Well, 7 is bigger and it has the plus, so it's going to be plus. Okay, let's try another one here. Okay, so how about this one? We got to be careful with one like this. So let's say we have 6z squared minus 3z minus 4z plus 2z squared. So these all have a z, but only this one and this one are the same because they have to have the same exponent as well. So 6 plus 2, that's 8z squared. Now inside I have a minus 3z and a minus 4z. Well, they're both minuses, so I can add. So 3 plus 4 is 7z, and I have to keep it negative. Let's try another one. 8w squared minus 2w minus 5w plus 3w squared. So again, when I put them in there, I have 8 and 3, and I know those are the same because they both have the w and the exponent of 2. So 11 squared, w squared, and then the inside, they're both negative, so negative 2 and negative 5 is minus 7w. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do some practice with those. So make sure you go back to Canvas and read what is next in the module.